Flamingos have a unique body structure and plumage coloration. Flamingos are sociable wading birds, usually from 90 to 150 centimeters in height with a barrel-shaped belly and a long, strongly curved neck. The flamingo's head is small, with a large massive beak that curves strongly downward in the middle part. Birds move on long legs walkers. Female flamingo is less tall than male. The coloration of the feather is the same among males and females. The color range includes shades of pink, from white to burgundy. The legs of most species of birds are yellow. The wing feathers and the tip of the beak are black. The color of the bird's feathers and legs is pink. But the reason for this is not clear to everyone. Newborn flamingo chicks are gray, with black legs and straight black beaks. Flamingos' color changes to pink during the first 2 years of life. Such color of feathers and extremities is due to beta-carotene. A flamingo is an omnivorous animal that eats blue-green algae, insects, sea shrimps, crustaceans, and mollusks. Their food contains the natural pigment beta-carotene, which colors their legs and feathers pink. The bright coloring is achieved due to the fat-like coloring substances lipochromes, which get into the bird's organism together with crustaceans and algae. In lakes where such food lives, the water turns pale pink. If the bird does not eat crayfish, the pigment will not be released, the coloration will become white. In zoos, flamingos are fed with carrots that contain yellow-orange plant pigment beta-carotene, which adds yellow-orange tones to the color. Flamingos stand on one or both legs to eat, but they sleep on one leg. Sleep seems to require both feet on the ground for balance as the animal is unconscious. Why flamingos tuck their leg has been of interest to people for a long time. Some recent discoveries have helped shed light on this age-old question. What happens to the skin when you keep your foot for an hour, 2, or 3 hours in the water is known. The skin of the foot becomes like a prune. Wading birds have the same problem. Hence the assumption that flamingos stand on one leg because they need to dry the other leg. Since flamingos alternate which leg they have in the water, this theory seems possible, but the assumption is not popular. Some experts believe that the flamingo's act of balancing on one leg is brain-related. Animals such as dolphins and ducks turn off only one side of the brain during sleep. The leg, controlled by the awake brain side, remains on the ground to maintain balance. During this time, the other leg rests. Other common theories consider the reason flamingos stand on one leg relative to the bird's need to hunt or conserve energy.